In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through enabling a form tool via power-ups and getting it ready so your inputs flow exactly where you want them. I'll keep the process simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to avoid common snags. First, click on power-ups. This opens the area where you manage enhancements for your board or workspace. From there, click on add power-ups. That takes you to the catalog where you can browse available options. Next, go to Search. You'll see a search bar or field near the top of the catalog. Search for Form. Typing the keyword Form narrows the results to tools designed to collect information and turn it into items on your board. When you see the form option you want, click on Add. In many interfaces, the first add initiates the installation, and you'll be prompted to confirm. Go ahead and click on Add again to complete that confirmation. Now, wait for it to load. You may see a brief spinner or a status message. Let it finish before moving on so everything installs correctly. Once the power-up is ready, click on New. This opens a fresh form canvas. Here's where you set up what your form will collect. You can drag what you need to input into the form. Things like short text fields for titles, longer descriptions, numbers, dates, drop-downs, or checkboxes. Arrange them in the order that makes sense for your workflow. Clear labels help people know exactly what to enter, and brief help text can prevent mistakes. After placing your fields, you can edit them. Click into each one to adjust its label, placeholder text, default values, or validation options. Keep field names short but descriptive, and only ask for what you truly need to keep the form quick and approachable. When your form layout feels right, click on More Settings. This opens additional configuration, including how submissions are handled. In this section, you can select a list. Choose the specific list where new entries should appear, so every form submission turns into a neatly placed item without extra sorting. Finally, click on Save. Saving locks in your layout and settings, ensuring your form behaves the way you configured it. That's all there is to it. Add the power-up, find the form tool, confirm the installation, let it load, create a new form, drag in your inputs, refine them, open more settings, pick the list destination, and save. You're ready to collect information efficiently and keep everything organized exactly where it belongs.